Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm going to talk about Jeep Renegade seat covers. This is black and red. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have inside and check the quality. This is the complete set, front and back. We can determine the quality just now. Look at that. This is for the headrest. This is for the back of the car. The installation is gonna be easy. Let's see. These are for the front. And here is the last one. We also have two storages pockets right there. Let's go ahead and put them on the car and check it out. These are all I have in the box. That's the rear seats. These are for the front. Let's put the back seat. We're just gonna put this right over here and then clamp it right there. See, here we go. Let me talk about all the process, how we're gonna put these seat covers. Basically, you're just gonna go ahead and put it over here, and then right after that, we have some hinges right there. We're just gonna put it there, and then we're just gonna go ahead and slide it into the back side. Let's do that. Take it from here and leave it there. Take it from there and leave it there. There is nothing you need to do for the back side. That's completed. We have also two hinges right there. We're just gonna put it at the bottom under the seat. Let's see, right there. I'm just gonna put it right there. See, for the other side too. And I put the hinge right over there. Here. Let's do the same thing for the other side. Make sure everything is in place. Right and left side. I'm just gonna put it right there. That's good. Next thing is we're just gonna zip this area on the left side also. And put this back. We are done with the front. Let's do the other side. We're gonna do the same procedure. That one too. Same place. This time I put the hinges right there, and for the other one right there. Let's continue. Next thing is I'm just gonna take this from here, and for the other one too, same thing. We don't need to do anything for the back side. Let's zip it. That's good. And put this there. I'm done with the right side passenger. And you can put this inside, and it's gonna look nice. It's like OEM part. For the back side, let's check it out for the headrest first. We're just gonna put it like that, and then the same style, we're gonna connect this and this, and then take it from there, from the back. Then we have the clip right there. We're just gonna insert it there. It's gonna stay there. See, Same thing for here. That's good. Then we're gonna take it from here. I did the same thing for the left side. For this area, same procedure. Let me show it to you at the back side. Like that. Like that. And like that. Here for the left side, right side. For the middle part, we're gonna use the same style. For the middle part, we're gonna use the same style. Let's go ahead and put it on the same side, like that. And then let's put it there, under the seat. Now that's good. We can go ahead and put it there. We will put the same clips right there and take it from the back side. Here is the middle part. First of all, we're just gonna fold that area and put it here, then close it. Oh, that's awesome. We're gonna do the same procedure. It's wonderful. I'm done with the back side. Here is the front. This is the front. There's the back side. And you can put the seat belt right there. And the other seat belt right there. Since this is new, it needs some time to settle down. Alright, I'm done with all of them. I can definitely suggest this product because it is easy to put and I like the quality and the color. You see, if you have especially kids that are making too much mess, probably you need this.